Hey guys, this is Clark's Culinary, and today I'm making barbecue bacon burger bombs. Alright, these are pretty easy to make, absolutely delicious, and I call them a burger bomb because it's an explosion of flavor. That's why. So, very basic and simple. 1 pound of ground beef. If you guys are interested in the recipe, it will be in my descriptions. So 1 pound of ground beef, little salt and pepper, little Worcestershire, just to taste, just to flavor it up. All right, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Give it a nice little zest to it. Then after that, you are going to take 3 ounces of bacon bits. Just dump that right in. Half a cup of cheese. Just dump that right in. And 1 egg. Very basic, very simple. Alright, then you are going to mix this. You want to mix this pretty good and thoroughly. I'm going to make little 1/4 pound burgers out of it. So feel free, get down in there, mix it up real nice. The recipe is going to be for 2 pounds. So I'm just showing you guys how to mix this up all nice and properly and get it all good to go. If you guys have watched my meatballs, how to make home style meatballs, if you guys have watched that video, this is pretty much just about the same thing. You want to get you a decent amount of ground beef, roll it in a ball, kind of pack it down, form it a little with your hands. You want to mix it, but you don't want to mix it too much. And set it on a nice little piece of wax paper. And get you another one. Roll it and roll it. Get all this stuff real nice and mixed up. If you would like to, you can let these sit in the refrigerator. That will help them somewhat form a little bit and stiffen up. But if you don't, it's not a big deal. All right. Now, get you a couple more pieces of wax paper. Take the rest of your burger. Roll it real good. Pack it around. Kind of flatten it. Go around the edges of it. And there you are. All right. So these burgers are absolutely delicious with the bacon and the cheddar inside of there. Gives it a really, really good flavor. You don't have to add any cheese. So that's all there is to it, guys. Our burgers are made up. We're gonna wash our hands. All right. Now, I do not cook these on a grill because they fall apart. If you put them on a grill, they will always just fall apart. So, I use a cast iron skillet, and I have a 10-inch cast iron skillet. I can only cook 2 at a time, and I usually cook them on a medium heat. My heat is going to be like 6 or 7. But we're gonna set these off to the side, and I already have some made up. So we're gonna plate it up, guys. You're gonna take you a nice burger bun, and you're gonna set it on down. Get you a burger. Set that bad boy on top. They are going to be a little bit burnt on the outside. It's going to be from the cheese and the barbecue sauce. So it's not a big deal. All that delicious flavor is in there. And then, what is a burger without condiments? So you're going to have to get your things in line. So we're going to take a little lettuce. Put it there. We're going to take a few pickles. Set them on top. 1 nice slice of tomato. and some nice onion. These onions, I cut these by hand, and they are more like an onion straw, very, very thin. So that is pretty much the nice build of your burger. So let's get our stuff out of the way here. And you're going to take your bun, set it on top. Even if you want to make it look pretty, take your little skewer, run it down through there. Now, burgers are delicious, but they always got to go with something. So fortunately enough for me, I have an air fryer. So I have air fried some French fries, and they are curly fries. Oh yeah, everybody loves curly fries. I know it. I love them, and you do too. So he's gonna take you a little bit of curly fries. These are nice, fresh, crispy, hot curly fries. Oh, and they're jumping right out of there, right onto the floor. Nice curly fries. Got you a little bit of ketchup for dipping. And voila. That is the barbecue bacon burger bomb. It's a very delicious burger. They're pretty much good any time of year. If you want to do them on the grill, you can, but you would have to wrap them in aluminum foil to keep them solid. Other than that, you can do them inside. Nice cast iron skillet works out great. And that's all there is to it, guys. Pretty easy, pretty basic, simple. So this is Kurt's Culinary, and if you guys please like, subscribe. If you guys want to see anything from my air fryer, anything else, please let me know. And until the next one, I'll see you guys. Peace.